I get asked this question all the time in lots of different ways about, will people know I viewed their LinkedIn profile if I get to it from here or here or here? I'm going to show you all the different places that you could get to someone's LinkedIn profile, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the ramifications of looking at profiles. But before I do, hit that notify and that subscribe button. I create all this content for you. So I wrote a list down of 10 different places you can get to someone's LinkedIn profile, and we're going to talk about it. Place number one, the standard old place. You go look for somebody in a search. You type a search word in. You fill out all the search parameters you want. You go to people, and now you fill out the parameters, and you look at someone's profile here, and then you click on it. And the moment I click on that profile, because I'm not hiding, Amanda knows I looked at her profile. Here's the next one. From the home page. I find content in the homepage that someone shared or posted. Right there, Jazanda posted. I click on her profile. She's going to know I looked at her profile. Look at the comments. I can look at the comments. I click on Michelle. She's going to know I looked at her profile. And so from the LinkedIn homepage is the second place where, in all kinds of places, either a post, someone liked it, someone commented, or in a comment, someone replied. All of those different spaces from content on the LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn homepage. Here's the third one. Messaging. I go to messaging. Someone sent a message to me. I go to their message, and I click right here, or I click right here, and I go to their LinkedIn profile from messaging. Jeff is going to know I looked at his profile. Here's the fourth one. Go to LinkedIn groups. Go to the homepage, or however you want to get to groups. I go to a group, click on the group, get in here. I can see there's 30,000 members. I go see all. I can search by name. I bring up their name. However I do that, Alexa is going to know I looked at her LinkedIn profile because I got to it from a group. Here's another one. Company page. I go to company pages. Let's go to Etain. Here's a company, Etain Group. I've got 8 connections there. I go to 1,500 employees. Here's, Tomas. I click on his profile. From a company page, Tomas is going to know I looked at his LinkedIn profile from a company page. He won't know where I got to it for the most part, but he'll know I looked at it. Here's the next one. Who viewed your profile? Go home. Who's viewed your profile? Here it is here, 1,700 some odd people. Kim Williams, I talked to him earlier this morning. Lina is a social media manager. I'm looking for somebody I haven't looked at yet. Here's Melissa. And here's we're told. I click on his profile from who looked at my profile. He's going to know I looked at his LinkedIn profile. Here's another one. The people also viewed. Let's see if Laura has this turned on. Laura, here it is. She has it turned on. People also viewed. So whoever these people who viewed Laura's profile also viewed these other profiles. Go find somebody who's somewhat relevant to me. None of them really are, but however it makes no difference. Laurie is going to know I looked at her LinkedIn profile. Here's the next one. My network. Go to my network. Go to my connections. Click on anybody in here. Jeff is going to know I looked at his LinkedIn profile. I got to it. He may not know this from my network and connections. Here's another one. LinkedIn invites. So Gabby sends me an invite to connect. I click on her profile. Boom. Gabby's going to know I looked at her LinkedIn profile. She's not going to necessarily know, but I got to it from LinkedIn invites. And there's 2 more that I have off the top of my head. Notifications. And so under notifications, I can scroll down here and I can see that, let's see, find somebody I haven't engaged with in a while. I can go look at Marcus. Marcus shared a post. I click on this right here. I'm going to go to his LinkedIn profile. Again, under notifications, if I click on their image, you look to the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see that when I click on their image, it's going to take me to Courtney's profile. And there's one more I just thought about as I was sharing this, and that is my followers. Give me 1 minute. Let me go look at my followers. 22,000 followers. And right here, I can see all the people who are following me. I can see who I'm following as well. Martin's following my content. It says we're following, which typically means that we're connected. But here I go find somebody I'm not connected to. And here's Frederick. We're not connected. If I click on his profile, it'll bring up his profile from my followers page. Again, these are all the different, not all, these are many of the different places that you can get to someone's LinkedIn profile and view their profile. And now here's the big magic. Will they know that I viewed their profile? This is important. Let me show you how you make that change, and I'll tell you what change you should make based on my opinion. Go to me, go to settings, go to visibility, profile viewing options right here. Now here's the three options. I can be 100% public. I want people to know I looked at their profile. I can hide behind some profile characteristics. It's sort of kind of playing hide and seek. Or I can be totally private and let no one know that I looked at their profile. What should you do? Unless you are using LinkedIn for nefarious reasons, less than appropriate business or career reasons, I would be 100% public. If you're doing things nefariously, you're going to want to hide. If you're doing things and you just don't want to be found out, maybe you want to hide behind profile characteristics. However, I offer this suggestion. If you're using LinkedIn for business, career, community, appropriate networking reasons, never hide. Let them know that you looked at their profile. That could create an opportunity for a conversation. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope this repeat conversation in a different way is helpful.